As the market awaits the call between President Trump and President Xi of China, the Aussie versus U.S. dollar is trading to new session highs as the market being overly optimistic about perhaps tariffs being eliminated in China as well. We will see, but the buyers are certainly making a play. We'll talk about it in this video, so let's get started. Oh, what a day makes. Yesterday we fell below the January low, the lowest level going back to 2020, and moved to a new low all the way down to 0.60875. Then we started to see a rebound back to the upside, getting back above that low price from January, and we didn't visit it again as Mexico was tariffs were eliminated, at least for a month, and Canada as well eliminated. That took the price all the way up to the 61.8% retracement, the move down from the end of January high, or toward the end of January high, to the low price that we saw in the beginning of February, but we did find willing sellers against that 61.8% retracement. Price rotated back to the downside into this support area defined by different swing lows and highs going back in time through this period right through here. All those levels, and that we gapped up into that area and fell lower in trading yesterday, then moved back up toward that level before basing against it and moving higher. And trading here today, we moved back into that yellow area again and started to rotate back to the upside. What is key from a technical perspective that I see is you see the break back above the 100-hour moving average. We moved above that level and came back down, tested that level at 0.6203, and found willing buyers against that level. This level right here is now going to be a level that, if broken on the downside, and it could happen very quickly, especially with this call between Trump and Xi, that would increase the bearish bias and have traders looking down toward this swing area right through here, where it had a number of different swing lows and swing highs cutting across, and then back down toward the 38.2 in this swing area down through here between 0.6162 and 0.6177. Remember, volatility is key, and we've seen lots of volatility in the Aussie versus US dollar with news to come, so be aware. And on the top side, we have the high price that we saw from Friday's trade, and then we start to look toward other levels, including this swing area up through here between the 0.6287 and 0.6301. Get above that level, and it's not far away, but the high price that we saw at the end of January at 0.6331 becomes the next key target on the top side to aspire toward. So be aware, be prepared for really anything for that pair. Taking a look at the weekly chart, the high price that we saw in January came up to this level right through here at 0.6334. That was near the low of this swing area through here, where we had different swing lows coming into play up to 0.6363. The 3-4 level is near the low of that level, so getting above that level and then above the 0.6363 level would open the door for further upside momentum in the Aussie versus US dollar. So lots of risk potentially ahead for this currency pair, but the buyers are trying to take more control. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.